everyone, Jean Knicky here. Today I had to make some fluffy banana muffins because Maya from Rooted Vines and CEO was so kind to promote my channel and my fluffy muffins. Oh honey, you just warmed my heart, I tell you. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you for your inspiration and love. I appreciate it very much. So I went ahead and made more muffins, believe it or not. And look, I just took them out of the oven and there's some missing. So I'm just gonna put them on here to show you how my muffins came out, honey. And look at that. This is just a short video because I had to say thank you. I had to come and say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Look at my muffins. And yes, I will have to smother it with butter after I'm done here. I love you all, and to all my subscribers, I love you and appreciate you more than you know. Thank you, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, bye-bye.